everybody! Today, also gonna do something with model magic. Okay, so this is what we need. We will need markers. We will need model magic, of course. And we will need a hot glue gun. Or I suggest you using a hot glue gun. So we're gonna make a cat holding an ice cream cone. And the ice cream cone might fall down if you don't use a hot glue gun. So yeah, let's get started. First, we're gonna take our model magic. We're gonna take a big chunk. And then we're gonna roll it up to a cute rectangle. That is perfect. Now let's add the eyes. Let's add a bigger eye with this tip. Okay, now that is perfect. Now we're gonna use paint to add the cheeks. Okay, now that once you approve it and you think it looks good, we're gonna add headphones and ears. For the ears, we only need some small pieces. For the headphones, the place where it connects the two circles needs to be actually pretty big so it can go around here. So we're gonna do this to make it a long line, then press them down. I'm gonna use paint to kind of decorate this. I'm gonna add hearts. That looks good. Put them here. For this, I'm going to dye these two headphone pieces to make the headphone come to life. I'm going to dye them pink. Now, press this one down. I really like this color. It turned out like as a pinkish white tie-dye color. So now we're gonna add the ears. So for the ears, we just need two little triangles. And let's put them behind here. First, we're gonna need pink. Then this. Okay, now we're gonna attach them here and here. The ears are big, but that makes it cute. Okay, now we're gonna add hands and a tail. Okay, so for the hands and tail, we only need a little bit. For the ice cream cone, we're gonna get more later. So I think this is enough for an ice cream cone. Hands, attach them right here in the front, like this. Okay, now we're gonna attach the tail, which is also gonna be super small. Okay, like this. Okay, now we are gonna make an ice cream cone. Okay, so first we need some brown. Let's get some brown. Okay. Dye it. And now shape it. I'm gonna make a vanilla flavored ice cream cone. So we're gonna do a circle. And then we're gonna flatten it out. We're gonna add a face, the skinny side of marker. Okay, now when we're done with the face, we're gonna connect these two, this. Now for the, I'm also gonna add a cherry on top. Cherries are not pink, but I'm trying to make it red. Okay. Now this is the stem, this is the bottom. We're gonna attach it. Attach this. Make our little bunny hold it. Now for hot glue, we're just gonna attach this part so it never falls off. See right there? Then attach. Okay. Now here is full view of my little cute bunny. I'm gonna spin it around so everyone can see it. Thank you for watching the video. My little bunny really wants you to subscribe. So watch all my videos and subscribe. Thanks for watching.